Unit 1 Review Question 23. The final price of a textbook for an English literature course is 6.5% more than the listed price when tax and shipping costs are included. If the listed price is $48, what is the final price of the textbook? Round to the nearest dollar. The first thing we need to do is translate this first sentence. The final price of the textbook for an English literature course is. So I'm going to ignore all of this and just put final price. So I'm going to write final. Then this just tells us what it is. The next part is. The word is translates to an equal sign. 6.5% more than the listed price. That means that I have 100% of the listed price and an additional 6.5%. To do this, I put them in parentheses and I type in a 1 or write 1 because that represents 100%. Changing 1 to a percent is 100%. Then because it's more than, I add 6.5%. Changing that to a decimal is 0.065. And that takes care of the phrase 6.5% more than. Now the next part is more than the listed price. So here we multiply that by the listed price because that's that would be the 100% or the total, and then we want the extra 6.5% on top of that. So we're going to put listed price. All right, so now that we've translated, we just need to put in our numbers. So we're looking for the final price, which will be adding these together gives me 1.065, and I don't have to put that in parentheses anymore. And then multiply this to the listed price, which was given to us as $48. And over here, I gave us just Microsoft Excel so I can type in some things so that I can see it written out, and then when I go through my calculations I can double check if I've had any typos by just looking here and not having to look inside the cell or the equation. So here to find the final price, we'll do an equal sign to get it to calculate, and oh, I should put the 1 in there. We'll just type it in. 1 plus our 0.065, and I can put this in parentheses here, or I could have typed out my 1.065, and that's okay, either direction. Then times 48 will give us our answer, or like I said, you could just type it out. 1.065 times, and cell reference the 48, or type in 48 as well. This way though, I can see that I can double check and make sure that I have that correct price. Either way, I get the same answer of $51.12. So over here, they want us to round to the nearest dollar, so that's rounding down to $51. All right, let's move to the next one.